If your SteelSeries Sonar mic suddenly isn't working, don't worry. This happens more often than you think, and most of the time, the fix is surprisingly simple. Let's walk through a few quick steps that should get your microphone working again without any frustration. Start by opening the SteelSeries GG app. Once you're inside, head over to the Sonar tab and look for your microphone under the input devices. Make sure your mic is actually selected. Sometimes it switches to another device without you noticing. While you're here, check that it isn't muted and try raising the input volume a little just to be sure it's not too quiet to detect. If things still aren't working, move over to your Windows sound settings. Right-click the speaker icon near the clock and choose sound settings. Under the input section, choose your SteelSeries microphone and try speaking into it. You should see the mic test bar moving. If the bar stays completely still, that means Windows isn't receiving any audio from the mic at all. Another important thing to check is microphone permissions. Open your Windows settings and go to Privacy, then Microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on at the top. After that, scroll through the list of apps and confirm that the ones you want to use, like Discord, Zoom, or Game Chat, actually have permission to use your microphone. If they're blocked, your mic won't work even if everything else is set up correctly. If none of these steps help, there's a good chance the GG software itself is glitching. Go ahead and uninstall SteelSeries GG completely, restart your computer, then download and reinstall the newest version from the official website. A fresh install clears out a ton of hidden software bugs and usually solves stubborn mic problems. After doing these steps, your mic should be working again, and if it still isn't, you're most likely dealing with a hardware issue, so testing the mic on another device can help confirm what's really going on.